Hi friends! Welcome back to Ice Pony Videos. Today we will be showing you how to make thunder cake. We baked this at Westside Montessori School with our teachers and friends. We wanted to shout a special thank you to Westside Montessori School and our teachers for teaching us this amazing recipe. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's begin with the ingredients. Ice, are you ready? Ready as I'll ever be. 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. 2 eggs. Little less than 1 cup of sugar. 1/3 of a cup of tomato puree. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 cup of shortening. 1/2 cup of cold water. 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. And here we have an 8-inch pan. Some Big Easy non-stick spray and vanilla extract. We are going to separate the yolk of the egg and the white of the egg. We're going to ask our mom for help. We're going to mix the egg yolk with all the wet ingredients. We are going to beat the egg white until we see the soft peaks. We are going to mix the wet ingredients into the egg yolk, starting with the tomato puree. Next, I'm going to put the shortening. Man, sure, buttery. There you go, V. Now you can mix it. Okay, as you say, Ice. Now I'm going to put the vanilla extract. Just put a few drops just for flavor. Next, we're going to put our cold water. Now we're going to mix it. We mixed our wet ingredients and this is how they looked. Now we're going to mix the dry ingredients but in a different bowl. We're going to pour the sugar, our all-purpose flour, and now my brother's going to mix some. Now I'm going to pour the cocoa powder. Now we're going to mix our baking soda and our salt. Now this is how the dry mixture look like. We are going to slowly mix our dry mixture into our wet mixture. We have beaten our egg white already. You must beat it for 2 to 3 minutes for its texture to be in soft peaks. We have turned our oven on 350 degrees and now my sister is going to take the pan and bake it in here. I'm going to spray this cake release and brush it with any remaining parts on the pan. Now I'm going to pour our chocolate cake batter into our baking pan. V, can you hold it for me? Sure. This
This is so chocolatey and awesome.
Once our oven is ready, we are going to put our cake in. We will bake the cake for 35 to 40 minutes. Our cake is ready. We baked it for around 40 minutes. You must poke it with a stick once it's done. If any dough sticks on it, you must bake it for a little more.
We cooled it for almost an hour. Are you ready to eat?
You can decorate it with frosting or sprinkles or strawberries of your liking. Let's taste it.
It's good.
Yummy. The best cake I've ever had.
For sure.